Hello my wonderful lazy dancers, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. This week, I know it's the second week of February, and I don't know, I think it's becoming a theme this month. It's very much about ballet and the basics of ballet and how we point our feet and how we present ourselves that I really want you to dance most of all. So today we are gonna work in the center, we're gonna do very basic steps, but I want you to dance because most of the time we think about ballet as the very restricted thing that we cannot move and there is certain rules. Yes, there are rules, but with me, I really want you to dance. So I want you to dance first, think later, and giving you all the details of these steps later on because it's an art. Yes, we are athletes, but also is an art. So I want you to find whatever it's in here, in your heart, in your soul, and I want it to show it to the world. And then we clean it all up, and we put it all nice, and we do it all pretty and nice. Not perfect, there's never perfection. So we are gonna work on it every single little step together. And so today we're gonna work in the center. We are gonna work on very basic steps, but a lot of fun. So promise me you're gonna be dancing. And I know, leave me a comment. Are you gonna be dancing? Because I want to see you dancing. And remember that if you want any more of the ballet basics and you really want to learn everything that there is underneath and how we do steps and how to improve your overall technique, as well as if you're doing ballet fitness, it's perfect if you're doing ballet fitness and you want to know how to maximize all those steps and get the right muscles to work, as well as if you're trying to really make every little movement the best movement ever. I've got for you, remember, the beginner's ballet course. I'm gonna link it up here and down in the box below for you to go and check it out and maybe start this beautiful journey in ballet that you had no idea if it was for you, it wasn't for you, but I'm sure it is for you. If you're here and you want to dance, then dance is your path. Doesn't matter what age, the only thing that is important is that you have a body and you've got a heart and a soul to offer to the world. But without any further ado, let's start dancing. Prepare yourself in the middle of a room. Feet in first, hand on the hips, and a little bit cheeky this one it is. So, see you very soon. Look mom, no hands, on the hips, we go. Point forward, to the back. Yes, and forward. Come on, give me the attitude. Yes, and again. Do not bend your knees. I don't want to see the bend knees. Good. We go to the side. Out. Oh, yes. Squeeze the back. Ooh, squeeze out. And again. One more time. And then right leg to the back. We go. And again. Switch to the front and the back. Yes. Front. And again. Look, someone there. Who was that? And again. We go. Out with a bend. Very good. Out. Who would that be? With an arm. Out. Plie in the middle. Very good. And we go. Very good. We breathe. Take one hand off the floor. Hand, foot. Take a side. And it's like you want to give it to someone and you go, oh, there you go. And then you go, no, I'm taking it back. Very good. And in. You go, I'm not going to give it to you. What about you? In. Oh. Maybe I don't know. I don't know why I went to Russia for this. Are we gonna give them to them? No. Put it back to the front. Oh. To me, cup of tea there. Oh. And again. Yes. And again. And forward. And down. Down. Very good. Forward. if we let the hip go, it goes with us. And out, in, good. We go. Point there. One hand. Never touches you. And close. Other way. There. Never touches you. And again. You close. And again. Other way. Out. Only out. Oh. Pick up a bunch of flowers. And you close. Other way. Other way. And up. Foot is still pointed. Very good. We go and out. In the middle. With a hand. Bring it back. Very good. One. In the middle. With a hand. You close. Without the tilt. Come on. I know. You've got it in there. And down. And very nice. Other way. Out. Plie in the middle. And out there. Very good. We step from here. Down. Forward. From there, don't bend your knee. We go. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. From your bum. Very good. And turn to me. Up. And down. Transfer weight. Very good. We're going to lift the leg up from the bottom. And up. And up. And up. Again. And turn. And lift. And again. Up. 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 And turn. One. Other way. Fast again. And go up. 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 We go with arm. In front. Good. And go. Up. 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 And again. The other way. Arm in front. And go. Lift. Up. Core engage. Very good. Back into first. We go. Forward. Down little kick. And plie. Other leg. And kick. And again. Forward. Kick. Good. Without moving those. And again. Arms behind. Forward. In. Oh yes. Other way. And forward. One. Come on, lift everything. One. Plie. We go outside. One. Good. One. Again, other way. Give me the attitude. Jazzy. Come on. Hands to the back. No second plie. Squeeze. Good. Other way. Good. Again. Keep on lifting. Good. Shimmy. Good. We go. Up. Gallop. Up. Gallop. Brush. Gallop. It's always the same. We go to him. No. We go to him. No. Him. Or her. Who cares? And again. Gallop. Yes. Good. One more time. One more. Back into center. We go down. 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 Arms coming up. And again. Spring point. Arms coming up. One more time. Pick up a bunch of flour from your feet. Oh yeah. Coming up. Very good. And down. Again. down. Coming up. You step. And down. And step. Down. Again. Step. You bow. Step. You bow. You go. Step. 2 arms. Step. 2 arms. And again. Good. And from there, relax down. And breathe. Good. And up again. And roll up. 2 seconds. Ground. Breathe. Tailbone. Going down again. Down. I know you want to do this, especially with this music. From there we go up. Breathe. Shimmy down. See, I let you do it. And up. Over. Roll forward. Shimmy. Come back. Again, transfer the weight. Plie. Roll up. Transfer. And down. And again, one more time. Plie in the middle. Roll up. Again. 1. And down. Step aside. 1. Down. Up, up. Down. Again. Up. Down. Up. Down. Let's jump. 1. Yeah. It's like a big finale. Good. With arm. Spring point. Coming up. And again. And last bow. Yeah. Mwah.